Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something very important for every English learner. My topic is when we try to speak in English, our mind goes blank. We cannot speak more and more. When you try to speak in English, after two line, three line, our mind goes blank. It is the common question. Even every co-learner face this problem at the beginning level. So why we are face this problem? The reason behind is we are not practice. Sometimes we are try to speak in English after two line, three line, our mind goes blank. But we have a thought, but we cannot speak more, even we cannot manifest our thought in English. The reason behind this practice. Even so, how to overcome this situation? Even sometime when you try to speak in English, sometime after two line, three line, our mind goes blank, and then we try to translate native language into English. Then we expose our thought, but it takes long time. Sometimes it is lose our confidence and we feel embarrassed. We cannot continue with this way. So if you are interested to improve your speaking English, then you have to practice regularly. And even today I will share you our mind goes blank, how to overcome this situation. The main thing is when you try to speak in English, there's some thought in your mind but you cannot manifest your thought. So why it is happened with us? It's the reason behind is we have we don't have much vocabulary in our mind. Even we have no environment in our mind to think in English, to speak in English. Even we cannot think how to say when I speak in English. Even we have no thought in our mind one day I will be speaking English. So if you are interested, then you have to practice regularly. So one thing are you notice it, you just imagine it, when you sitting anywhere, you talk with yourself. When you talk with yourself, after two line, three line, your mind goes blank. You know that. But why it is happening you? And what type of problem actually are you facing when you speak in English? Even when you speak in English, after two line, three line, your mind goes blank, but you have some thought in your mind, but you cannot manifest. Then it takes long time. Sometimes it spell embrace you. It is lost your confidence. So don't lost your confidence. So you know that your problem. So then you can do when the thought in your mind, you just expose your thought. What type of thought came in your mind, you just expose your thought. It is not complete you in one day, in 1 month, in 2 months. You continue practice it in your thought. When you expose your thought in daily lifestyle, then some vocabulary came in your mind automatically when you try to speak in English. Even the environment create in your mind automatically and you don't feel, but it is you feel when you practice regularly. After 1 month, 2 months later, you can feel it, and environment automatically create in your mind. Even your mind will be observed to think in English, to speak in English. So if you are passionate, then you have to practice. And without exposing your thought, you cannot speak English more and more. And even right now, if you think that I have taken a coaching to improve my speaking English, they cannot to expose you to speak in English. They just guide you and they give you some rules to speak in English, and which is you are follow, then you can speak in English. But don't need any coaching. If you are interested, you just at first you find out your problem. What problem are you facing when you speak in English? When you find out your problem, that time it will be easy for you to speak in English, to think in English, and you can expose your thought automatically. So at first you have to choose a topic, and which topic if you want to speak in English, then you can speak in daily basis. Even you can speak with nature, speak with trees, bird, even so many things available around you, you choose a topic daily basis, then your thought automatically improve and environment create in your mind automatically, and then your vocabulary improve day by day. You cannot imagine. So at first you have to create an environment with yourself, and even you have to talk with yourself. When you talk with yourself, then an environment automatically create in your mind you cannot imagine. So when you try to speak in English, after 2 line, 3 line, our mind goes blank. So it is the common question for every co-learner. At first, English is a strange language for us. So if you overcome this situation, then you have to expose your thought in your daily lifestyle. And don't think that English is like a medicine. It is not like a medicine. If you take it after 2 months, 3 months, you will be healthy automatically. It is not happen. It is all